Hey YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox and unwrap this. These are some of the items from Amazon and from Macy. I think the one from Amazon has some kind of sleeve for the arms, and then one on the right hand side is a pair of shoes that my wife purchased. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and check them out. It says flower lanyard for a teacher. This one is a mobile phone case. Oh, I believe this is only the chain. Oh, just a lanyard. So they're like clips. On both ends, clip on the case. The chrome. And they come with two of this. So you put this inside your case toward the bottom of the charger port, so you could hook this on there. Oh, so it's same thing. What is this? It's like a keychain. Yeah, for the flower. So yeah, this one might be a gift, so I'm not gonna mess with this. So flower is like a rubber material, and then you got the lanyard. I'm gonna wait until I put this back later. Go and then check out the shoes. Sam and Libby. What? It's a size A for women. 所有的 S and L。And you have the SNL logo right here. Got the buckle, the elastic. And you got a little bit of cushioning right here. Also on the back, the whole thing. On the midsole. Well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.